The saying that health is wealth is considered a universal truth. This was echoed at the medical outreach conducted by a Pan-Africa organization called Daylight Africa in collaboration with Glory of Hope Foundation at the Labakoreh Lower Basic School in Labakoreh Village in the Gambia. The medical outreach was organized for the main purpose of conducting free medical checkups and tests by seasoned medical professionals for the general public who are battling with health issues such as hepatitis B, blood pressure, blood sugar. The organizers also sensitize people of the village on how to live a healthy lifestyle by eating healthy food and fruits. The event provided free tests for the less privileged people who could not afford the medical examinations at their local health centers. Attendees at the event were also sensitized on different preventable common diseases and how to avoid or manage them.
Today is extremely a special day, not for Gambia, not for West Africa, but for the continent as a whole.
In his welcome address at the event, the founder of Daylight Africa, Sheikh Musa Drame, spoke on the benefits reaped by the public and further shed light on plans put in place by his organization to further improve in subsequent editions of the outreach. Mr. Drame also commended Dr. Gloria Bent, the initiator and global coordinator of Glory of Hope Foundation, for her selfless efforts in providing free healthcare services for the less privileged around the globe.
We are here coming from the West with the knowledge that we have and the little resources, but profound commitment to changing the status quo of the Gambia. The Gambia we were born in must not be the Gambia we leave our children and their children to inherit. We may be physically out of Gambia, but we are spiritually, mentally, and committedly here in the Gambia. Meaning that you can get our bodies out of Gambia, but you can never ever get our spirit out of the Gambia. It is time to bring the knowledge, the resources, and the commitment to my people. Because no matter whether you are Afro-American, Afro-Caribbean, Afro-Latinos, or Afro-European, we are all Africans. Africa is the birthplace of humankind and the cradle of human civilization. Everything that we're enjoying in the West found their roots right here. And it is our job and moral responsibility to turn the clock backward. That's why we're here. Gambia, these youth, these young aspiring medical doctors and lawyers, they are your greatest asset. And President Barrow, your number one job here is to nurture this.
On her part, Dr. Gloria Bent, who co-hosted the event, applauded the healthcare personnel and volunteers for their support and promised to continue to relentlessly give back to the people. She also took her time to explain the effect of a balanced diet to the participants and took them through the best foods and fruits to eat at different times in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle and live a healthy lifespan.
I always like to make sure the health of each one is taken care of. Because you know why? If you don't have health, you cannot do nothing. You have to have health. If you have diabetes because you're overweight, first of all, diabetes comes from you can inherit it or you can be overweight. Overweight like obesity, the consequences, diabetes, high blood pressure, some form of cancer, high cholesterol. And we have to start to take care of the basics, the basis of it. The basis of it being taken care of is number one, we have a good healthy lifestyle. We try to prevent it, and that's what the whole team is about.
Kabiru Darboy, the Alcalo of Labakoreh, appreciated Daylight Africa leadership for their support in bringing a healthy lifestyle to the people of his village. He therefore encouraged his peoples to always go for regular health checkups as ways to keep their body healthy.
Birin ñu sato lota fo sañ Labakoreh ma fo de magni ñoo soto de bara man si ajam woto alala manta be mbale mu ñinti me alonko nsi ñol ya kere ya dinna andu ya kengani ya sen wala kan woto be luntawol konton na men futata jang men ya lon koy bota fo Senegal na men ya lon koy be steri Gambia jay man dula kere fo Labakoreh ante alkalo ba fo le koy bismillah Labakoreh sato kono jang abunyata ma anu imam filita dula ya jele ko Labakoreh jam ma fo bata men be jang yen walin nan woton kontanta mba fo le koy bismillah jang.
John George Johnson, president of the 18th Executive Council of the University of the Gambia Medical Students Association, spoke on the benefits gotten from the event and expressed profound gratitude for the event hosts and the organizers at large.
We are here today to give back to the community. We are the future of this nation. If we don't have the right to quality education, to proper nutrition, to the basics, then we will not be able to achieve what is necessary for a nation to stand. So, Dr. Gloria, I say a big thank you to you. I say a big thank you to your team, to you, Mr. Ola, for not leaving Gambia. So we are so grateful, we are so proud of you.
We are very happy to have all of you here today, and then we hope we will all share the same goals, inshallah. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all.